Here I have INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, of course. So now let's take one photo like with this feature enabled, and then I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So you just go to settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here the first option is mirror. So you just disable it like this, and now every photo you take won't be mirrored anymore. So as you can see on this photo, we have this tube from the left side and on this photo from the right side, because these photos are mirrored, obviously. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.